don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a master technician today.
Hi, it's Scott with RVFix. One of the more common calls we get is we've got our generator running, we're not getting any AC power in. Air conditioner not working, microwave's not powered up. We've got to figure out where we lost our power. The most common thing we run into is the breaker on the generator. And let's go show you on several different makes and models where that is and how to reset it. The first one we're going to show you is an Onan 4000, one of the more common generators. So we're going to take the cover off. You're going to find it just here to the right side of the start-stop switch down low. Just be a standard 30 amp breaker. What you want to do is just make sure that is pulled out toward you. The best way to do this on any of them is turn them off and turn them back on. Sometimes they'll be tripped and not completely flipped over. So that's a 40 or a 4000. Let's go find a 5500. All right, this one here is an Onan 5500. We're going to pull down on the top, lower this down. As you can see, some are easier than others. On the Onan 55, it's right here. You just want to make sure those are flipped off, turn back on, see what you got. Here we've got an Onan Quiet Diesel 10,000, and it's located right above the start-stop switch. It's got an on-off switch here. That'll control all our output from the generator. On an RVMP Flex Power, you have your breakers right here, off and on. On our Onan 4500 portable generator, we have push button resets here. Typically on these, if they trip, you will get an overload on this, but the resets are just the push buttons. And if that doesn't fix your problem, give us a call at RVFix and we'll walk you through some other troubleshooting. Could be a transfer switch, could be some wire connection issues, a little more in depth, but with a multimeter, we can get you hooked up and pointed in the right direction.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry, we're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a master technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.